Welcome to the best picks. The best reel cleaning kit is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked tools for any serious angler. This video will dive deep into why regular cleaning and maintenance of your fishing reels are crucial for extending their lifespan, improving casting performance, and ultimately landing more fish. We will explore the essential components of a high-quality cleaning kit and guide you through a step-by-step cleaning process, ensuring your reels are always in top condition. Number 5. CLENZOIL Marine and Tackle Kit. This kit has everything you need for complete fishing reel maintenance. It's perfect for both freshwater and saltwater reels. It cleans, lubricates, and protects your reels from rust and corrosion. This keeps your reels in top condition. The needle oiler allows for precise application of oil to those hard-to-reach parts. This ensures thorough lubrication. Use the pump sprayer for even coating of lubricant, protecting all surfaces from rust. It's easy and efficient. The grease syringe ensures accurate application of grease where it's needed most. This optimizes your reel's performance. The included microfiber cloth helps you clean your reels effectively before applying the oil and grease. It's the perfect finishing touch. This kit provides lasting protection against wear and tear, extending the life of your valuable reels. Keep your reels running smoothly. What we like. This kit has everything you need for complete reel maintenance. Its precise oiler and pump sprayer ensure thorough cleaning and lubrication. If you value convenience and comprehensive protection for your reels, this is the kit for you. What people say. Their reel and firearms maintenance kits provide just about everything you need to keep your equipment rust-free and in good working order. Everything I needed was included. I cleaned and lubed 8 reels and have plenty left over to do more. This stuff is of better quality and the precision applicators make it easy to use. Number 4. Garcia Maintenance Kit. Keep your reels in top condition with this comprehensive kit. It has everything you need for easy maintenance and smooth operation. This kit includes the essential tools, a 10-11mm wrench, and a flathead Phillips head screwdriver. You'll also find precision oil and grease for optimal lubrication. The kit's precision oil and grease ensure smooth operation and extend the life of your reels. These lubricants are specifically formulated for optimal performance. It's compact and easy to take with you wherever you go. Keep it in your tackle box for on-the-spot maintenance. This kit is versatile and works on all types of reels. It's the perfect tool for any angler looking to maintain their equipment. Regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your reels. This kit makes it simple and convenient. What we like. This kit's compact size and essential tools make maintenance a breeze. It's perfect for on-the-go repairs and works with all reel types. If you need a portable and versatile solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit has all that you need. It comes with everything you need to keep your reel in good shape. It immediately took any cranking noise out of my reel and allowed me to cast about 10 yards further without trying. All the tools fit the reels I worked on. Lubricants worked well on several reels. Number 3. Ardent Freshwater Reel Care Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your fishing reel in top condition. It'll help extend its life and improve its performance for years to come. Cleaning, lubricating, and conditioning your reel is simple with this kit. Just follow the 3 easy steps for optimal results. It dissolves dirt and grease, leaving your reel components clean and protected. It dries clear, leaving a protective barrier behind. This grease works with all materials, preventing corrosion and featuring a UV tracer for easy checking. The oil complements the grease for complete protection. With regular use of this kit, you can keep your reels running smoothly and efficiently. It's the key to long-lasting performance. This kit is perfect for maintaining your reels after a day of freshwater fishing. Keep your equipment in top shape with ease. What we like. This kit simplifies the cleaning process with its 3-step system. It's designed for freshwater reels and provides complete cleaning, lubrication, and protection. If you prefer a straightforward and effective method for maintaining your freshwater reels, this is ideal. What people say. I clean my reels multiple times a year. Good kit. Enough to do a lot of reels. Kit will last me 2 years minimum and I clean 20 plus reels a year. I usually use the grease completely before I run out of oil. Super convenient to have all of these items packaged together, and in a package that I can hang on a pegboard, out of the way when not in use. I pulled the trigger on this pack after reading other favorable reviews, and I completely agree that these lubricants seem to do a great job refurbishing my reels. Works well on both spin caster and bait casters alike. Number 2. Ardent Reel Clean Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to keep your fishing reel in top condition. It's designed for easy maintenance and will extend the life of your reel. It includes Reel Clean Cleaner, a cleaning cloth, swabs, and a brush to remove dirt and grime effectively. This ensures your reel is thoroughly cleaned. The kit also provides reel butter oil and grease for lubrication after cleaning. This will keep it running smoothly and prevent damage. A 2-headed screwdriver is included for those essential adjustments. It has everything you need for complete reel maintenance. Regular cleaning and maintenance with this kit will ensure your reel's longevity and optimal performance. Keep your reel working perfectly, time after time. Its compact size makes it perfect for storage in your boat or tackle box. Take it with you wherever you go for on-the-spot maintenance. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for reel maintenance in a compact package. It's suitable for all reel models and ensures longevity and peak performance. If you need a portable kit with everything you need for any reel, this is a great choice. What people say. All components of this kit are top-notch. I especially like the grease reel butter. The kit is great and contains everything you need to maintain your bait casting or spinning reel. The tool is a reversible Phillips flat driver. There is a manual included for spinning and bait casting reels, what needs to be oiled or greased, how to disassemble, excellent instructions and information. Number 1. Ardent Tackle Saltwater Reel Care. This 3-pack is your complete solution for maintaining your saltwater fishing reels. It'll keep them running smoothly and protected from the elements for years to come. This high-quality grease provides long-lasting lubrication and superior protection for your reel's internal components. It's specially formulated to withstand the harsh saltwater environment. Effectively removes salt, grime, and other debris that can damage your reel. Use it regularly to keep your reel clean and performing at its best. This oil provides smooth operation and reduces friction for optimal performance. It's essential for keeping your reel running smoothly and efficiently. Use this 3-pack regularly to ensure your reels are always clean, lubricated, and protected. Get the most out of your investment with proper care and maintenance. With consistent use, it will extend the life of your reels and maintain their peak performance. Enjoy years of reliable service from your favorite fishing reels. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for saltwater fishing reels. It provides superior protection against corrosion and ensures long-lasting lubrication. If you fish in saltwater and need a kit built to withstand harsh conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. Clean every part the way you want. Cleaner, oil, grease, just what you need to get the reel ready for next season. Light scent, easy to work with. Worked on several saltwater fishing reels and a bearing lube alone made a significant improvement. It's a nice little kit for cleaning your reels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.